Hey guys, today we're gonna do this package reveal. I'm really excited that I got it today. So let's open it. I'll show you guys what's in there. Alright. Here we have the Grylls survival knife. And has a sheath on it. It's on sale right now on Amazon. It used to be about $40. Right now it's at 25 or 26, I believe. So let's open this guy up. Let's check it out. You see I'm using this Ozark knife. My favorite $5 knife so far. So let's open this guy up. Oops. Went far. That was a little dangerous. So here's the Grylls knife. The cover, the handle, it's pretty good. I just don't like this rubber that it has. I don't know if you had old knives with that rubber that starts to get sticky. That's how it feels like it could be. It might not, but it's okay. I mean, for what the price is, I believe it's okay. It's got a serrated edge. It's pretty sharp. So what else does it have? It has the owner's manual. Rest of the fire. Yeah. Stuff like that. And we got the sheath right here. Let's get this guy out. Alright. So that's pretty well made. You put on your belt or your pack on this. Let's check how sharp this guy is. We got our carpenter's pencil. Wow, that's pretty sharp. That's pretty sharp. Overall, it's pretty good. I mean, you get what you buy. Let's check if it tells us what type of. So it's. Is it made in China? Made in China. Yep. So yeah. So when you get what you pay for. So it's okay. I mean, don't think I wish it had a little clipper so you could pull it out, but overall it's okay. It's a little wobbly here. Let's see how good it fits in the sheath. That's pretty nice. So that's pretty nice. I mean, for $26, it's a pretty decent knife. I think it's more about the name, but yeah, it's pretty nice. I like the way it feels in the hand. Like I said, just the rubber I'm not too sure of, but the way it feels on your hand, it's pretty good. I like it. So I think it is worth it. So if you guys want to check it out, it's on Amazon right now. It's on sale right now. So if you guys want to get one, right now would be the time to get one. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video.